So, we wanted to provide a brief 2020 US presidential election update. US presidential race is looking much tighter than the projected blue wave scenario that's really dominated the headlines in recent weeks. Joe Biden now has 209 electoral votes versus Donald Trump's 112. But according to our DC team, there is still a path to victory for Joe Biden. We may need to wait till votes are counted, which may take a few days, especially in states like Pennsylvania. Our team has noted that President Trump's weak spot has been with the suburban voter, and they place an overall odd of Joe Biden winning still at 60%. From a market perspective, we've certainly seen markets jolted a little bit by how close this race now appears. Most notably, the US 10-year Treasury yield, which was as high as 94 basis points earlier tonight, is down to 83 basis points, a 10-point or 11-point reversal, which reflects a bit of flight to safety. We're seeing similar responses with the dollar rising and gold prices sinking back under 1900. Also similar flight to safety trades. Now, from an equity perspective, stock futures are up, but notably we've seen Dow futures now flat, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq is up an impressive 3%. This is a reversal from what we saw in the last few weeks, and especially in the last 2 days, when cyclical and value stocks were showing signs of leadership, perhaps in expectation of more fiscal stimulus and spending in a blue wave scenario. Now we're seeing technology stocks perhaps perform once again in anticipation of better business environment and a lower tax regime. We'll certainly be watching in the days and weeks ahead how the presidential race is ultimately decided, and then what markets will do after that as well. Certainly, we'll keep you posted.